YouTube, wanted to shout out to this guy Peter on YouTube. He talks about the W140 mirror and some of the problems that are associated with it. The biggest problem is this wiring pack here, and apparently it slides back and forth when you open and close the mirror, I'm guessing, and it rubs all the insulation off the wires. So he had talked about the problems with what you have to do to take care of these wires, and I tried taping up the other mirror with the special stretchy tape that I got from Harbor Freight, but it turned out that that stuff's sticky and it doesn't like to slide in this channel, and plus it's very bulky, it doesn't fit back in there. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to do a double heat shrink tube system, where I put a piece of heat shrink tube on the wire that I've cut, and I'm only going to do one at a time because the colors are come off the wire and I would misinterpret which one they are. So I'm only doing one at a time. So I'm taking and I cut the wire at the end. I'm putting on this heat shrink tube, and what I'm going to end up doing is putting another piece of heat shrink tubing down further down the line down here, and then when I solder it up here, when that cools, I'll slip this new heat shrink tube over that connection and hook it in with my good wires that are sticking here in the trough there. So there is also this little nipsy little neato little cover that goes on here that protects the wires, but that's what happens is the wires go back and forth in here and they chew up and then they short out. So it may have shorted out the module and I don't know, but I will be redoing my other side once I get done with this passenger side so that it actually works right. Here's the spring that we talked about with the chopsticks, and very easy, just slide the first you might have to break it loose with a screwdriver because it may be stuck, but then you put your chopstick in there like this, it pushes down on that spring and the cover slides right off. So there you go. Thank you.